over 631,476,324,565 LUNC coins is being traded as of today. That is about $53,019,160 US. And remember that 98% of these are actually on sales. People are selling off their coins. So that's why you see we actually hit a high trading volume today when you compare this as of 2 days ago, when Terra Classic trading volume actually was trading between $26 million and about that should be around 285 billion LUNC coins. But today you see that number actually go times 2, and LUNC right now, a lot of people are pulling out of Terra Classic. A lot of people are pulling out of Terra Classic with today massive trade that hit over 631,476,000,000 coins of Terra Classic LUNC being traded despite the high falling price, despite Terra Classic experiencing one of the biggest fall in a set of within 1 month. Terra Classic have lost a lot, more than 50 to 60% of Terra Classic cap, more than 50 to 60% of its holders have actually been lost in the past 1 month. And I believe that this is getting serious because every day we record millions of dollars being pulled out. Many people are leaving LUNC. People are selling off their coins. People are selling off their positions. And I believe that, the truth is, right now, even if you are in their shoes, you would definitely do the same, because LUNC in the past 2 weeks have been massively dropping. This is a coin that have about that should be towards $1.3 billion market cap as of a few weeks ago, and we are just recording below 500 million. So you should think people have actually really pulled out. So and I believe most of the top holders, majority of them are the ones still holding, because these people hold large portion. They hold large amount of Terra Classic coins. Okay, so and you see a lot of people have actually been pulling out. I remember. What about if the big time holders decided to start pulling out? You will see in period of 48 hours, LUNC might drop below $80 million market cap if the big holders decides to pull out of Terra Classic. But for now, there is still hope. For now, there is still hope for Terra Classic, and that hope depends on the holders, the top holders, the developers. They need to take action right now. If it means sacrificing some things, they need to do it, because the LUNC that I see right now, LUNC that have been following up for the past months since last year, is not the LUNC of then. People this time around are very serious. People are really leaving Terra Classic coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.